Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use sad face filter on the TikTok. So if you want to use the sad face filter on the TikTok, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application. Once you will open it, log into your account, and after that you have to click on this emoji. Once you will click on it, right here you will see different filters. Also you will see this filter right here. So simply you have to select this filter and open your front or back camera and record a video with it. After that, when you record a video on it, simply go to your TikTok and adjust it with the music, or you can do it on the CapCut as well. So this is the way you can use sad filter on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.